Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML form. And right now, we'll be discussing about something special, which is the HTML attributes. This chapter describes the different attributes for the HTML form element itself. I want you to understand one thing. To write your HTML code, you have different elements you can use, but in this form right here we have some specific elements we can use inside our form. So inside that our form, we now have some specific attributes that we can benefit from, that we can do what, that we can benefit from. So I'm going to be explaining this in details, so I wish you can follow along in this playlist at HTML form attributes. You can check the playlist to find the full details, to find the full tutorial on this topic. Once again, Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.